there are multiple ways on how to call a car wash and also attract customers. So on today's video, I'm not going to talk about someone who's starting a car wash afresh. I'm speaking about someone who wanna elevate the car wash. So if you are that person, make sure that you stay up until the end of this video. Or if you know someone who have a car wash, you can still watch this video and also go advise them on the things that I'm going to outline, or share this video with them so that they can be able to escalate their car wash to be a better car wash and also bring different or unique experience in the location that you are in. Please make sure that you watch this video up until the end, because the last option that I'm going to tell you is going to show you is the very simple strategy that you can implement on your car wash to escalate it, to make it more better than it is now. So I've written all my points right over here on my laptop, so bear with me. Never mind when I'm looking down, because I don't want to forget one of the things that I want to outline, or the important facts that I want to tell you, because sometimes when I don't write things on my laptop, I always forget, and after recording, that's when I go through my things and see that I should have said this. So I've written all of those things right over here, and I'm going to tell you more about it and explain them further. So number one, we have offer free coffee or tea. So many car dealerships and repair shops offer free coffee and tea in the lobby or waiting area. Why not do the same thing with your car wash? You need to ask yourself that, because when you speak about dealership, you speak about something that is dealing with cars. When you speak about the repair shops, especially the mechanical and whatsoever, you need to make sure that you become relevant to those people, because you guys are dealing with the same thing, which is cars. So please offer them coffee or a tea maybe. So it's a low cost way to add value for customers while making their pit stop or more comfortable experiences. So whenever they think about your car wash, they always think about the experience that you are going to give them. So for them to receive a tea, it makes them feel more important than just coming to your car wash and then giving you money and then they leave. So they know that when they go into your car wash, they're going to feel unique and also experience something that not everybody's doing. Because each and every car wash that I've went through, I've never come across a car wash whereby when you park your car, you take your car to wash it and someone comes with a tea or ask you, do you like to have tea or coffee? So it's one of the key things that you can implement on your car wash to make sure that they have a better experience and also come back to your car wash. And number two, we have offer free Wi-Fi. So when you offer free Wi-Fi, we don't say that it's free. This is a marketing strategy that you need to think about. You already added the cost and the money that they are going to pay to wash the car. So you're going to say you offer them a free Wi-Fi. So when you offer them a free Wi-Fi, customers can watch shows, works, or play games on their mobile devices without mixing out their data plan. It's just another way to make your place appealing and show you care about your clients. So we have so many people who are working, and there are people who can be working at home. So for them to save time to wash car and then thereafter come home to work, so you need to make sure that you meet them halfway. While they are washing their car, there is a Wi-Fi for them so that they can be able to work. It makes them save time, and also when they think about your car wash, they know that they are not going to waste their time just sitting there waiting for your car to be done. So they know that while they are waiting, they can be able to make their work be easier, go through the things that they need to do, or make their work, send some emails that they have to sell. Because people who comes to wash cars most of the time are people who are working, so their life becomes easier. In that way, you are making their lives be easier. So when they think about your car wash, they're going to think about the experience that you are giving them. Remember, this is what I will always echo, that the experience is one of the things that is important that you need to consider, so that whenever people think about the experience that they are getting from you, they don't decide otherwise but to go to your car wash. Number three, maintain your website or your social media. If you aren't selling anything online, your website doesn't need to be elaborated, or your social media doesn't need to be further elaborated. Still, it should provide your address. People need to know when they come into your social media, they need to find the address. Remember, some people are going to find out about your car wash through social media. So they don't have to ask people, do you know this place? Do you know where can I find this place? So on your website, or rather on your social media, there must be an address whereby when they come across your social media of car wash, they are going to spot their address and be able to locate themselves to that destination, which is your car wash. So make sure that there is a address on your website and also on your social media, and also contact info. Remember, contact info is whereby they are going to ask whatever for any inquiries that they want to ask. Remember, when they come across your social media, they might have some questions whether there are drinks there for people who are drinking. They want to know if they go there, are they going to get drinks there, or do they have to bring them themselves? So contact info is one of the important things that you need to consider, and also you need to be available to answer those calls. If possible, you can hire someone to make sure that they are answering each and every call that they are going to receive, because when you go through social media, just know you are going to receive so many calls. And also hours of operation. You don't need people to come to your place only to find out that you are closing, or maybe it's a holiday you are not opening. So when you have hours of operation, and also state whether on the holidays you'll be working or you won't be working, so that will help your customers be able to know better about your business through social media. That's why you need to be able to maintain it, website and also a social media. You can either have one of them, it's fine, and it's a bonus when you have two of them. And also add a description of your service. Add whether if they come they are going to get free Wi-Fi, like I said. Add whether if they come they are going to get music. Like, add the important things that they need, whether there's food there, whether there's no food. So describe how your business operates on the description, so that when they come they don't have to say, I thought there's this, I thought there's this. So outline each and everything that they are going to get, and also give them the prices to say, okay, tea is free, but then this is for how much, this is for how much. That's what you need to do. Number 4, put TV in the lobby. Give customers something pleasant to do while they wait for a car wash or a detailing service. Not only does it give them a chance to watch the local news or latest sports event, but it also boosts the chances of additional sales if you have a vending machine or snacks for sales. So while they are waiting for their car to be washed, so they just have to be on the lobby to watch TV. Most of the time they like to watch sports. So while watching sports, you can have a portion whereby some sort of a supermarket, if I may say, or a canteen, whereby you are going to purchase certain things like snacks, drinks, and all this stuff. Remember, while they are waiting for their car to be washed, they are watching sports, for example. So while watching their sports, they need something to drink or something to snack. So you need to be able to cater them, something like that. And remember, when we talk about sports, men like sports, and majority of men are the one who always go to the car wash. Minors are the women who don't usually go to the car wash unless there is an event. So that's why I'm speaking about sports, because men are the one who mostly go to the car wash. So whenever there's a sports playing, let's say maybe it's Pirates versus Kaizer Chiefs. So instead of watching at home, they're going to think about the experience that you are going to give them. So they're going to plan it to say, okay, today I'm not gonna watch any soccer at home or any soccer at the tavern. So I'm going to go to the car wash, knowing that while I'm watching the sports or anything that will be playing on that day, basically we just made an example based on Kaizer Chiefs, and while they are watching Kaizer Chiefs, which is derby, on the other side their car is still being washed, and also you will be making money through snacks and drinks. Number 5, which is playing unique music. Instead of going with the same old playlist as everyone else, like Amapiano, if I may say, because it's one of the well-known genre. I'm not bashing Amapiano. Amapiano is one of the best things that we are having in our country, but I'm just saying, be unique. Choose a distinct genre like rock or gay. So when you play this unique music, it's going to attract people. So when people think about reggae, they think about your car wash. When people think about rock, they think about your car wash. But personally, I will play private Amapiano. I will play Abu Kelvin Momo. I will play Abu Kabza the Small, the private one, not the one that is going to make people stand up on the chairs, stand up on the table to vibe and do the dovetas. No, the chilled one. If you can see the most car wash that are making a lot of money, go on Sunday or go on Saturday or each and every day during the day, they are listening to chilled. Especially deep house is one of the music that can attract people, and sometimes majority of people who are listening to deep house are the people who are really smart and also people who are working a proper job. I'm not saying people who are listening to Amapiano that they are not working a proper job also, but majority of people who are listening to deep house are the one who have money. You need to be aware of that. Number 6, start a referral program. A referral program offers discount or other incentive to customers who recommend your business to someone else. Give customers an extra reason to tell other friends about you and your car wash, and also soon ways to get out of their best car wash around the location. So guys, if you tell your current clients that if they are coming with someone, they are going, maybe your car wash is 100 rand, they are going to get a discount of 30 rand, so they are going to wash their car with 70 rand whenever they are bringing a new client to your car wash. So they are going to make sure that they spread the word out there so that they can be able to get a discount. So whenever someone new comes, they get the discount. And then you tell this person, whenever you come with a new client, you are going to get a discount for that day that you were able to come with. Not every day, but for that day when you were able to come with a new client. So whenever new clients coming, they're going to experience something that they have never experienced, which is TV. Like we always say, I haven't seen a car wash which have a TV whereby people watch TV. I don't know. I'm from the rural areas, so I don't know. I'm talking about people who are not privileged enough, who are not born in the suburb, who are trying this life thing. We are hustlers, so we come from the disadvantaged background. So I haven't seen that. Don't come after me, please, guys. So I haven't seen any car wash that offer tea or coffee. So they're going to experience something new. And trust me, guys, they're going to stay and also come to you every day or each and every single week. But whenever the car needs to be washed, they are going to come to your car wash because they are getting an exceptional experience that they have never had before. Number 7, run an influencer campaign. Influencer marketing can be one of the best ways to advertise your small business and appeal to younger demographics you may not be able to reach easily through traditional advertising. You don't have to spend a lot of money either. Instead of trying to partner with a celebrity or social media star with 10,000 of followers, find a local or a niche influencer who can introduce your brand to their followers. So basically, each and every location or area, there is that one particular person who is famous, who is known. It's either known because of girls, because of whatever the case may be, but that person is known. Take that person. If it's someone who have a car, tell them that you are going to wash his car or her car for free. Car. So whenever people see that person, they are going to trust your business that if that person can be able to come, sit there and have that experience and also get his car to be washed there, us also we can be able to go there and hang out with this person who is cool around your area. So use the use of people who are very influential around your area. Those people can bring more clients to your business. Number 8, host a social media giveaway. A social media giveaway can be an effective customer engagement marketing strategy to build a brand awareness about your business. Ask customers to tag their friends and offer prices that are valuable to your target market, such as a free wash, free detailing upgrade, or gift card. Be sure to follow local guidelines and policies for giveaways. So giveaways are the one things that can boost your social media to reach other people so that they can know about your car wash. And also it can boost an engagement rate, which is something that brands are looking for. So whenever that engagement rate is high, you are going to get some sponsorship. Maybe you'll get some sponsorship about the washing powder or anything that washes the car. You can get it for free so that you can advise it. Remember, the bigger picture is to grow your car wash to be a better thing. So once you get sponsorships, that's when you know that you are winning. So you need to thrive for sponsorships through social media. That's why you need to make sure that you always create content each and every day, whether it will be content for YouTube, content for Instagram, content for TikTok, content for Facebook. But remember, not every content works each and every platform. So we have a long format content which goes along with YouTube, and a short format content is for Instagram Reels and also TikTok. Number 9, you need to respond to customer reviews. Reading and responding to reviews helps you understand how customers feel about your business and shows that you care about what they think. So whenever you have a conversation with your customers, they feel so important, and also they feel that they are part of your business. So you need to make sure that your customers always, you make them feel special and also welcomed to your business. Number 10, gather customer testimonials. Testimonials are collections of satisfied customer feedback that help you show potential clients what past customers think of your work. Ask loyal customers if they will be willing to write a testimonial that you can post with their name to your website or on your social media platform. So testimonials are one of the beneficial things that you need to consider, because are the ones that are going to bring customers. So whenever someone reach out to your website, one thing they need to check is the reviews. So once you get a positive reviews from your customers, they are going to trust your business. So whenever someone comes to your establishment to wash their car, please, after that, make a video. Before you make a video, ask them, because some people don't like to be on video. Ask them that if they are comfortable enough for them to make a video with you, and then ask them questions about the experience that they are having and what are the things that they like about the establishment. If there's something that maybe they think you can upgrade, let them express their feelings about that, so that you personally can be able to upgrade it and make it a better place. Remember, your customers can also help you to build your company if you listen to them. What are the expectations that they're expecting, the experiences that they want to have on your establishment? Like I said at the beginning of this video, that the last one is going to shock you. It's something that is simple, but it's something that is very valuable, and that is going to be able to keep your customers loyal to you and also to keep others loyal to you. Before I can outline that one, please do me a favor, just hit the subscribe button. We are on our way to 2,000 subscribers. I will highly appreciate also if you like this video. So the last tip is that you need to offer them a contract that each and every month they pay a certain portion of money. Let's say maybe they pay 500 rent, so they can come whenever they want to come wash their car, but each and every month they pay 500. This helps your company that you have people that are going to pay you money each and every month, that you know for sure that they are going to come. It doesn't matter how many times they're going to come, but here is a tricky part, or a part that is going to play a very vital contribution towards your business. Let's say I'm here in Kronstadt. I want to go to, in fact, I'm going to Bloemfontein. On my way, it's raining and also my car get dirty. When I arrive in Bloemfontein, I know that the following day I'm going to Kronstadt. If I don't have an important event that I need to go, maybe I want to see my girlfriend, for example, or I want to see a family, or I want to see anybody, I'm not going to wash my car at that specific location that I visited. For example, like I said, I'm going to Bloemfontein. So I'm not going to wash. I'm going to wait for tomorrow to go to my hometown to wash my car there, because I paid a contract. I don't need to take out another money at a specific location to give out to them the money to wash my car, knowing that I can go to my hometown. I'm still going to go my hometown to get my car to be washed. So this thing of offering them a contract builds loyalty to your car wash. So that's one of the things that you need to consider. Offer them a contract. You can see that even if they are 10 kilometers is maybe 100 kilometers, as long as they know that they are coming back, they are not going to wash their car at any place rather than your place. So this is the end of this video. Please make sure that you subscribe. I asked you millions times, I know, but please comment down below what are the things that you think are very valuable, and what are the things that you are going to take out of this context that I have just given you. I will see you on the next video. Please make sure that we give this video at least 300 likes. That's what I'm asking for. Thank you.